Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 7.4, question number 1. Compute A cross B and B cross A. Check that each A and B are perpendicular to A cross B and B cross A. The given vectors are vector A is minus 4i plus j minus 2k. Vector B is 2i plus j plus k. We start the solution. Write the vector A, write the vector B, and we are going to compute A cross B, which is equal to the determinant of the first row. We write I, J, K. In the second row, we write the coefficients of vector A, which are minus 4, 1, and minus 2. Minus 4, 1, and minus 2. And in the third row, write the coefficients of vector B, which are 2, 1, 1. You can see 2, 1, 1. Now evaluate the determinant, expand the determinant from the first row. With I, we will have 1 into 1 minus 1 into minus 2, that is minus 2. So minus minus 2 becomes plus 2. We get unit vector I into 1 plus 2. Then minus j, and with minus j, we will have minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4, minus 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. So minus 4 plus 4. This is it. This is with unit vector j. And then with unit vector k, we will have minus 4 into 1 minus 2 into 1. That is minus 4 minus 2. Result, with unit vector I, we have 1 plus 2, 3. So 3i minus 4 plus 4, 0, minus 0j, and minus 6k. But as we don't write negative sign with 0, so you may write it as plus 0, because minus 0 is meaningless. We don't use it. Just don't make any sense. Minus 0 and plus 0 both are the same. So I have replaced minus 0 by plus 0. And then the unit vector vector A cross B, you can also write it as 3i minus 6k. You need not to write 0j here. Okay, now consider A dot A cross B. This is vector A, this is vector A cross B. When we take the dot product, all we have to do is to multiply the coefficients. So you can see minus 4 into 3 plus 1 into 0 plus minus 2 into minus 6. Here it is. So minus 12 plus 0 plus 12 equals to 0. As the dot product is 0, hence vector A is perpendicular to A cross B. Now B dot A cross B, this is vector B, this is vector A cross B. And take the dot product, 2 into 3 plus 1 into 0 plus 1 into minus 6. Result become 6 plus 0 minus 6 equals to 0. Hence B is, as the dot product is 0, so result B is perpendicular to A cross B. Let's get to the next part. The vector A is this and vector B is this. We have to evaluate B cross A. For B cross A, the first row becomes ijk. In the second row, write the coefficients of vector B, which are 2, 1, and 1. You can see 2, 1, and 1. And in the third row, write the coefficients of vector A, which are minus 4, 1, and minus 2. You can see minus 4, 1, and minus 2. If we expand the determinant, with I, you will have 1 into minus 2 minus 1 into 1. With minus j, you will have 2 into minus 2 minus 1 into minus 4. So you will get minus 4 plus 4. And with unit vector k, you will have 2 into 1 minus 1 into minus 4. Result 2 plus 4. As a result, we get minus 3 into unit vector I, minus 0 into unit vector j, plus 6 into unit vector k. As we don't write negative sign with 0, and minus 0 and plus 0 both are the same, so I have replaced this minus sign with a positive sign because it seems better here. So I better write it once again, plus 0. Okay, and if you want to eliminate it, you can also write vector B cross A is equal to minus 3i plus 6k. Now consider A dot B cross A. This is vector A, this is vector B cross A. Take the dot product, minus 4 with minus 3, 1 with 0, minus 2 with 6. Result 12 minus 12. The answer is 0. As dot product is 0, so A is perpendicular to B cross A. Now consider B dot B cross A. So this is vector B, this is vector B cross A. 2 into minus 3, 1 into 0, 1 into 6. So what do I get? Minus 6 plus 0 plus 6. 6 got cancelled. The answer is 0. As this dot product is 0, so what is the result? This vector is perpendicular to vector b cross a, and that completes the solution.